guys. Woo, super excited. Let's go ahead and open it and go from here. Wow. I actually ordered this on Friday. I wasn't busy on Thursday when they have the announcement. But when I got this, we come with this letter in here. And the reason why I got this one here, because I was still deciding getting the Pro or getting the Zoom. The reason why I got the Zoom, to be honest with you, is the fact that it's just easier for me to, I mean, I do a lot of, all my video, all I do is basically, I do raw footage and I just do in real life. I do extreme, I do active track. If you're not tuned into my channel, you should, and this is what I do. And I'm always in a rough condition. I did like the Mavic Pro, the first version of this, but the only thing that I don't really like about it is the gimbal. Because you can actually break it by just, you know, for carrying it around, or you just putting this, if you don't have the gimbal guard, you can just actually break it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do and open it up. And I'm super, super excited. Oh, wow. Every year it's a different box. And I've been waiting for this. Be honest with you, I really want the, I would really, really want the, you know, hopefully it comes with the handheld gimbal or any other kind of stuff. I don't know why, DJI did not come up with that, you know, but having a Karman, also Ultra Robotic, is just make you think, you know, like, and also the Anafi, that's what I had. And having both of them, it makes me think that, is this gonna be better off or whatever that I need to do? I really want the handheld gimbal, because if I do send this in to DJI to get the 1-inch sensor, the drawback is, what am I gonna do with this zoom camera? You know, now I'm gonna have to sell it. I mean, it doesn't really make sense. I think whoever hacked this, you can change the camera just like the Inspire one, is gonna have millions on YouTube. Because I don't know why you have to send it into DJI to get that going. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this guy up and see what it's all about. Oh wow, the case looks nice. And here you go, guys. Finally. The controller, I don't know why DJI did not come up with that. You should have at least a screen, just like the Ultra Robotics. And I mean, the color, I like the color. The first one is black, but now we have this gray color. So it's easier to clean and you don't really see scratches. And then now you have this kind of like the Mavic Air. You can just put that like that. Awesome. And then what else do we have in the box here? And you can also see my video here. And the reason why, oh, it comes with DJI. Oh, they give you extra for your, I guess, to do the charging. And they always come up with this here. Charging cable. And what else it comes with? Extra props. I think, does it come with the propellers already? Let's go, sorry guys. Let's go ahead and see. Wow. It's much beefier than the first version. Oh man. Be honest with you, telling you it's more solid now. A little bit longer. Wow. And you see that? It's kind of like the Air. The Mavic Air, you have that motor now, I guess. Man, much better. And you see the sensor, guys? You see that? DJI is using this now. They're not using that old one that used to have the, I call it ultrasonic. They're not using that anymore. They're actually using this now. If you see from the Spark or the Mavic Air or the Tello, if you see a Tello drone, they have that technology. So it's much change. Then that's the reason why DJI is going for. And you have that light. Wow, they're probably gonna put this in the Tello too, so you can fly this at night or anything. But seeing here is wow. Very impressed. And the battery is much bigger. I don't know if this thing can still fit like the old one for the charging, but wow. My impression already. Still have the light though. It's not heavy as Hotel Robotics. Interesting. Put this sticker here. And let's go ahead and take this camera off. Feels like metal. It is metal. Wow. Just like the Hotel. It's like aluminum. Metal. Wow, the camera is pretty big for a zoom. Wow, liking it already. Got the stickers here. Take the sticker off. Always want to keep those. The reason why later on, if you sell them, you got all the stuff that you need. Let's look at the battery here. It's totally dead, but man, my impression, I was surprised. When I got my first Mavic Pro, the gimbal's already messed up. I mean, the one that actually hold it. But this one right here is supposed to be easy to put on. So you just go like that. Let's see. Okay, how the hell do you put this on? Okay, so you hold it like this. Interesting. One more time. There you go. So you just got to get used to it, and then it'll get clumped. As soon as you get that, I get this two teeth right here. Dude, it's not even a scientist to do that. Look at that. And it's not coming off. Wow, interesting. You get that? All obstacle avoidance. The first time I saw this already, I already know they're gonna obstacle avoidance in the top, and someone commented me in my YouTube channel and said, "Oh, it's fake." When this one was still, I call this. It was still. People don't know still what it look like, or it might be a leaked, and I already know that this is gonna be the one, and I already know it's gonna have obstacle avoidance everywhere on this drone. Wow. Very impressed with it already. What is it? Looks like it's not gonna come off. But anyway, my impression is great. I guess I gotta put this all together. Let me put this guy here. You know what? I'm just gonna put it right here. Look at this. See? And go to get the propellers. It comes what? 6 propellers. Oh, I'm sorry. I think 6 or 4. I'm sorry. It comes with 6. So, and a propeller is okay. So you just gotta go ahead and get the black on black, and it's on there. Okay. And then you put you have that little silver stripe on there, and you just do that also. And that's it, guys. And I think I get the charger hub here for the charging. All these bolts. Wow. Got the charger hub stuff here, and I think this is the one that already has the new version of it that you can just, yeah, this is the one already that you can just take this off. It's crazy. It's not even Christmas yet, and I'm really excited already. We've been waiting for this Mavic Pro 2 for a long time. Wow. So you just charge it and ready to go. Awesome. Much portable than before. Every year, it's always a new portable way of doing it now. But anyway, that's it. And thank you for watching my unboxing. I know it's a mess. I'm super excited, and I will put this guy through the tests and see what he can do. Thank you. Surprisingly, it did not come with the SD card. That's kind of weird. Most likely they'll give you SD card. I don't know why they didn't. I'll go ahead and check this thing. I'm just noticing it. Having this, just letting you know, like the first Mavic, you see this rubber piece. See, the only thing that I hate about the first one is like you have this plastic. It's like polished plastic, and what it does, the more you land your drone, you're actually scratching it. But anyway, so far my opinion on this, pretty surprising. Wow. But if you do have your old, most of you guys still have your Mavic old, maybe you still have your Mavic Pro. If you have this accessories, you can still, like this pouch, just because it's just to go, you can just hang it on your, you know, your whatever, and just ready to go. But if you still have this pouch, I mean, you can get this on Amazon for, I think, $9 now. It's cheap now, you know, it's really cheap, but it's really good. You got a good rating on it. I would recommend it if you're thinking about getting it for your Mavic. But this one right here still fits. See, I'm putting it right now. I mean, it might be a little bit tight, but it's not like, it fits. I actually put the Evo here too. It did fit inside, but the Evo is just a little bit bigger. But see, Mavic, he just put 2 instead of Mavic Pro, the first one. And I think the reason why they made this, because they know they're gonna come up with the Mavic 2 came out, or Pro, you know, coming out, the second version. And see what I have still here. See what's up. Oh yeah, I still have this too. If you still have your previous one, you can still put your tablet. Get one of these also. It's always, you can always reuse that. And if you don't want the screen to get scratched, or you just don't even think about taking that off, it's also cool. You can just put it like this and it fits. Yeah, it fits. It's not bad or anything. It's not like it falls off just a little bit, because I think they changed the controller button now. But you just have it like that, and it still works, you know. And then you can just carry it around with you. See? And everything still works. And this one right here, the battery can still fit. So if you still have your old Mavic Pro, whatever, it still probably still works. So all you gotta do is just, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off really quick here. Let me go ahead and take this off. So this is much easier now, really cool access, you know, than before. You know, you can just have your SD card out of there really quick. And then this one still fits. You might able to, oh, I probably can still put 2 batteries. Oh, I probably can still put 2 batteries here. See that? And you can still manage to put 2 more batteries. And I actually have this, so I'm definitely gonna order more batteries later on. But right now, I'm not gonna get the combo, whatever, fly more. I'm just gonna go ahead and mess around with this for a little bit, and eventually later on I will do it. But it's the fact that there's more stuff coming out with this guy. It's gonna come out with a controller, built-in screen. I don't know why I did not release that. It's weird, you know. Probably separated. Ultra Robotics already did that, and also the GoPro Karma already did that also. And hopefully DJI eventually, because I'm tired of using my phone. I mean, I don't really want to use my phone doing this. And there you go. See? So it still works. So if you still have this, well, you can buy it on Amazon for like $10. You can get both of these. And you can have everything. And even me right now, look, I can still put my to go. See? And put it in your backpack. And you can just put this in the backpack and ready to go. And again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna do more extreme reviews. Okay, so bear with me and you're gonna see what this guy can do. Because actually the first one I put in a hurricane condition. We're gonna have more hurricane where I stay. Eventually we can go ahead and do more video of this. So again, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.